Hello guys and welcome back on channel From Zero to Millionaire. Today I have new promotion from a company called LetyShop, and they can give you additional bonus 100 Polish zlotys, so it's around 26 US dollars. So like you see, this is around 26 US dollars and you can grab this for free. What do you need to do? I show you on the next part of the movie.
But before we get into it, and if you're new here and you like videos about making money online and working from home, then go hit the subscription channel and that notification bell below to know when I post a new video.
Like I spoke on the beginning of this movie, you can grab for free 100 Polish zloty, and rules are very simple. Go to LetyShop. If you doesn't have account, I put my referral link in description on this video. If you have account, go to your account, login, and go to your section with invite friends. Like you see, here is some banner, get 100 for invited friends. And we have now information with you referral link, what you copy and send for friends, for people who doesn't have and you want to invite them to this program. And here we can read a little information about this promotion. So how many you can get bonus? 100 Polish zloty. What do you need to do? Invite 3 person. How many time do you have? Is only 3 days left. So when you invite 3 person, you get 70 Polish zloty and like bonus. And if this purchase and cashback will be qualified, you both get additional 10 zloty for each person. So if we sum 70 and 3 person by 10 zloty is 100, so it's around 26 US dollars. More rules you can find here in the bottom section, bonus payment conditions. So your friends register using your referral link has to make purchase online for at least 70 Polish zloty with 1 month after registration at LetyShop for you to receive your bonus. As soon as cashback for such person will be confirmed, both of you will receive 10 zloty for, of course, each person. If you have referrals registered account to your previous referral program, you will be receiving a bonus for their purchase with a year starting from the moment of their registration via your referral link. Statistic for this purchase is demonstrated in your account as long as you have at least one of such referral. So all information is on your referral section, and like you see, I have 1 person, I have bonus 10 zloty, so it was from previous promotion, so I don't collect 3 person to get 100 bonus from this program. Maybe this time, if you want to join to this program with my referral link, I put link to the description. If you have account, you can invite to your account to your friends, person what you want to invite to this program. And I think that's all. Very simple promotion how to get bonus from company LetyShop. If you have any question, put it to description. If I know how to respond, I will respond to your comments in description on this video.
Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, enable notifications, and we will see you in the next one.